3.
Work that jacket, Mark. Work it.
That look pro.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Lost and found. Yeah, it's a tough race when you lose your boots. Unclaimed winnings, jumping jacks. Look at this guy. He's ready.
I mean, I need to give you.
That's what the A-Riders do. They do jumping jacks. Hey, Rich. What's going on, man? How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Getting your shit together?
I am.
Seems to be a little bit of tension over there. I'll ask later on.
Rich causing it?
Rich is causing shit. He thought he had to fill his form back out. The computer called him Rich. His form said Richard. He goes, I don't want to fill the form back out. Make the computer say Richard. But it's a Rocky Mountain thing, so I think they're worried about that. Get your race gas. I'm worried about the race gas. I want my race gas. Hey, let me ask you, is there a CC limitation on the bike that I ride in my class?
What class are you in?
Super senior.
You can ride anything from an 85 on up.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're crazy about the racing boys on 85. You're crazy about the racing boys on 85.
Hurry up, bitch! Look at this fool! All right, morning. What's your strategy for the race?
Get in the front and roost the shit out of everybody else.
I like it, I like it. Look how clean this bike is. How about you? What's your strategy for the race?
Stay warm, cheer
Yeah.
y'all on.
Jim, your bike is sexy as hell. All right, Mark. Get him.
10 seconds!
All right, well, I don't know how long this first place is gonna last. We shall see. Woo! All right, gotta get around this guy fast. Ooh, whoa. Keep yelling at myself. Uh-oh, bottleneck, something. Thank you. It's so hard to follow somebody closely because you can't see your line very well. It's all about conserving energy because this course will take it out of you in a second, but you still have to go fast enough. The sand's not deep enough. I need deeper sand, baby. Oh, 17C. Got my eye on you, baby. Don't get too far in front of me. let me drag it. Let's go, boys. Yeah, I love it. Almost, buddy, almost. Good try, though. Come on, people. Come on. Got one. Come on, Scott. All right. I need deeper sand. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa. It's getting squirrely. Well, this is the open field section that sucks balls. And I say open field loosely. It's all of this shit. Except worse. Thank you. I guess. So, I'm gonna have a little sofa talk with you guys while I'm racing here. So during the practice lap, there was this guy running around. I forget what he was riding. But every time I would stop to take a little break and let some people pass, he seemed to be behind me and passing me as well. And every time he would do that, he would pat me on the shoulder and say, "Hey, just remember, we paid for this." And he did it to me 3 times. Very friendly fella, for sure. Up, up, up. Thank you. Well, that's it for my sofa talk. That took a lot out of me to talk to you while I was riding. See, I have to celebrate the passes quickly because it just creates a pass opportunity for the folks behind me, which gives me more time to move out in front a little further. And I suppose I could go faster, or I could just pass faster. I don't know which one I prefer. Probably pass faster. Because going faster takes a lot of effort. As I'm feeling right now. and occasionally go fast if you can. I can't. 3 laps of this is going to be sweetness. Is there a choker lap that I could take? Can't be any harder than this. Is it too early to be thinking about food? Oh yeah, look at this, deep sand. Give me more! Oh, my clutch finger hurts. I got no grab in my clutch finger anymore. What the hell is happening? Maybe I just won't use my clutch. I'll just put it in Cadillac gear. Problem is a 150 doesn't have a Cadillac gear. I know it sounds like it does. Thank you. And my helmet's squeaking. I'm sure you can hear that on the video. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, on lap number 2 of pure fun. Currently in first place, Super Senior. Let's see if I can keep that throughout this lap. I'm not taking that one again. Thank you. Thank you. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Well, I've determined something, and this is going to sound silly, not to some people, but to some people it will. Going faster on this course is easier than going slower. I did the practice lap relatively slow. It beat the holy piss out of me. And I was doing it so I wouldn't get too fatigued, upper body, lower body, the whole deal, right? But it's much, much better at speed. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you. I love the sand. Woo! Well, that was awful. Only one more time I've got to go through that shit. This is a rough part of the course. Oh, goddamn. Oh, that hurt. Coming through. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thank you. Thank you. can only pray that I went slow enough to only do 2 laps. I don't think that's going to be the case. With my luck, I'll be the only one in my class that has to do 3. Yeah, that's wishful thinking, of course. White flag. All right, lap number 3. I'm tired, and so is everybody else. All right, so lap 2 down. Super senior, first place. He's got to keep the wolves at bay here. It's gonna be hard on the 3rd lap, but then again, like I said, we're all tired. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna do that this time. And that will give me a leg cramp last time. Ow! What a dummy. Too tired to change gears, so you just aggravate the shit out of the clutch. Can't complain about the chicken wings. Thank you.